Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are joining me for the first time, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So on this channel, we'll talk about skin, beauty, lifestyle, and all the good things in life. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a very simple DIY portrait for my room or for my background. So I got these frames from this store, Pep, one of my favorite places to shop here in Abuja. I got these frames from them. Each frame cost the sum of so those are the prices in different currencies, but for naira it's 860 naira. So if you're in Nigeria and you'd like to get one of these frames, it's 860 naira. It is A4, so the average photocopy paper will fit into this frame. Okay, so this is how they come. Now you have to be very careful with them because they're very fragile. As you can see, this one is broken just from transporting myself to the house, so one of them got broken. I also made copies. So these are regular copies of quotes that I downloaded from the internet, and I'm going to be fixing them into these papers today. Okay, so this is going to be a very fun video. It's a very fun DIY video. I didn't really watch anyone's video to come up with this. I figured this out on my own. Please ignore whatever noise you're hearing in the background. It is really loud this evening and I don't know what's going on, but I really wanted to make this video today. Okay, so like I said, no one taught me how to do this. I just came up with this in my mind and it became a reality. So you have to be very careful because they're very fragile. This one is broken, so yeah, so just be mindful of that. So I'm supposed to have 5 frames in total, but because one of my frames is broken, I have 4 frames in total. I think I have more, but right now I'm just going to be working with what I have. Okay, so I'm just going to tear them out. Very careful with them. Okay, so this is how it looks like at the back. This is supposed to be like the hook. This is the hook thing. Okay, so just gently lift these guys up. So it's just going to nicely come off. You want to be very, very careful with these, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to take my copies and place on the frames. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with this one. So you want to be very careful because it's very fragile, and voila, this is what I'm having now. Okay, so this is one down. This is how this one is coming out. It looks really nice. I like what it looks like. So this is one down. So we're going to do the same thing for all the other 4. Okay, so you want to pull these all the way, not too far, but just so they're out of the way. Take this, don't understand why. Just have to be very careful with these. Okay, so I'm going to take another of this paper. I'm going to go in with this one next. Place it. Place this back. Make sure it's on a flat surface and there's nothing interfering, because it's very fragile and can break at any point. Now there are different types of frames. They have like the ones that are like plastic, but this was my invention, so this is what I'm comfortable with and I can do myself. So this is what this is looking like. Beautiful, huh? Okay. Okay guys, so this is how I make my inspirational quote frames. Like I said, you just have to be very careful, because as you can see over here, I already lost this one to a crack, which is always very painful. But yeah, basically this is how I do it. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.